My name is Elizabeth. I'm the Brand and Marketing Manager at Elenzia. At Elenzia, we provide products for health, beauty and wellness. So we source products from all over the world to bring the UK customers exclusive, new and innovative products, either Elenzia own branded or as the brand's own. At Professional Beauty, we will be showcasing the Endor Technology skincare range. So this includes 2 professional serums for aesthetic use. Along with this, we will have our full skincare range for the face and then our body care range for anti-cellulite. And all of these products contain the new active ingredient called nanogold particles. And this actually is able to enter the skin's dermis and increase the body's natural production of hyaluronic acid, collagen and elastin. Really, it's the one place that clinics and salons can go to find all the new brands, all the new products and new science and really use it as an educational tool. It's really the centre of the industry for those few days. So come and see us at Professional Beauty in London. We're at stand N90 and we'll look forward to seeing you.